What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. Today we'll be taking a look at the second upgrade for the revo. Make sure to check out the first upgrade, link is in the description below, where we did the wheelie bar, and this is the reason why I actually went ahead and purchased the wheelie bar, guys. So let's jump straight into this box. I kind of already went ahead and cut the strip right here, and there it is, guys. Got myself some new batteries. You know, you gotta have some new batteries with the new car, guys. Ooh, wow, they're a little bit smaller than I expected, guys. So these are the Venom. Let me get you guys a better look. The Venom 4020C 11.1 volt. These are 3-cell packs. As the e-reaver could top out at 6S lipo, guys. Now these are not the stronger ones from Venom as far as their 3 cells go, excuse me, but these are the ones that I can currently afford right now, so we're gonna rock out with this one, guys. We got a total of 6S right here. Cannot wait to try it out in the e-revo. So let's take a quick look at one of them. Now, I've featured Venom batteries on my channel in the past. They've been my primary battery source, I guess, or battery brand. They've been doing pretty good so far, so why change them now? So here we go, guys. This is the 4000 milliamp 20C 11.1 volt 3-cell lipo, guys, by Venom. It's a little smaller than the ones I usually carry. Now, one reason why I choose Venom over, well, the other brands, the ends are universal. So you have all the popular ends out there. You get the Traxxas, the Deans, and 2 other ones that I'm not too familiar with, but for the most part, they are interchangeable. And since I still have my Duratrax, which runs Dean connectors, I can kind of rock the 3S on there if I would like to. So let me grab the other Venom batteries so you guys can get a quick comparison or size comparison of, you know, how tiny this actual 3S battery really is. Alright, so let me go ahead and grab a 2S first. So this is my 2S hard shell Venom 5020C that I run in my Duratrax. I don't know actually where I'm gonna run this in right now, because I'm trying to get rid of the Duratrax. I may actually I am sorry about that. I'm currently running this in the e-revo as a 4S setup. So this is one of the hard packs, and just check it out, guys. Like, this is super, well, not like super small, but it's kind of tiny for 1000 milliamp less. It's quite small. So it's a little bit shorter. There you go. It's a little bit thinner. It's also not as thick as the 2-cell, guys. So yeah, very tiny battery. Let me actually go ahead and grab the 3S pack that I actually have. I think I got rid of the 3S Venom pack because it kind of went bad. Oh, I think I still have it. Do I? Yes. So this is a 3S 5400 milliamp battery softback. This one is currently not working right now, but look at the size difference, guys. Like, it's almost like double the thickness of this battery, guys, and double the weight. Not forgetting to mention that this is a pretty light battery compared to this one. So yeah, the tiniest batteries I've owned so far. And let me just grab my Gen 6. Now, Gen 6 is also another brand that I use, and oh my god, this one is actually a little bit swollen. That is not good, actually. That is not good at all. I didn't realize that this one is swollen. I'm gonna have to look into this a little bit more, but this one is currently swollen. This is the one I run in my Slash as a, is this the 2S? Yes, this is the 2S one. Yep, this is about the same size as the 2S on the Venom. I don't know what's up with this one, guys. I'm gonna have to, yeah, yep. Good thing I checked out this one today. And last but not least, this is my 3S. This is my most recent pack. This one is also swollen a little bit. What the hell is going on with these Gen 6 battery, guys? I don't know why they're swelling up like this. Let me know in the comments below what causes these batteries to swell up. I haven't used them in a while, and they've been charged up and just sitting. If that's actually wrong, just let me know in the comments below, because these are great batteries, and I don't want them to just die like that. This is actually the newest one I have after this one, so yep, this one is kind of have me worried right now. Oh well, But yeah, guys, this is the new batteries I'm going to be featuring, or actually be running in the revo as soon as the weather clears up here in New York. You know, I can't wait to try out these battery, guys. So with that, that's where we're going to end this video. Purchase link for actually all the batteries I just showed you will be in the description below. Comment below also what kind of batteries you run and why you run them over the Venom batteries if you don't use Venom. And as always, thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.